Are you looking for the best sharpening stones? In this video we will look at some of the best impact drivers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range, starting at Number 1. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone. Whatever type of knife or cutting tool you need to sharpen, this premium quality whetstone from Sharp Pebble is designed to sharpen almost any type of blade: kitchen knives, hunting knives, pocket knives, scissors, chisels, Westhoff knives, razors, and it can even sharpen axe. The durable water stone whetstone is made of aluminum oxide, which is imported from Japan, and the two-sided 1000/6000 coarse and fine combination can be used for sharpening, refining and polishing a blade. For stability and extra safety, the stone is securely held in place inside the non-slip bamboo sturdy base with strong silicone, and the base is extra high, which makes the sharpening process quick and easy. There is no need to use oil, just add water, and the knife angle guide helps you to maintain the correct angle and safely apply consistent pressure while sharpening a blade. The whetstone is very easy to use, but if you have never used a sharpening stone before, you can use the ebook manual that contains step-by-step instructions and extra tips on how to effectively use the stone. You can sharpen everything from kitchen knives to garden shears, and the generous 7.25 x 2.25 inch surface allows plenty of area for even larger blades. The included angle guide will give beginners a sense of ease since it helps you find the exact angle effortlessly. This is a water stone, so be prepared to soak it for approximately 15 minutes prior to use and keep a bowl of water nearby to maintain moisture level during processing. Number 2. Knife Sharpening Stone, Dual-Sided Sharpening Stone. A highly versatile sharpening water stone, the whetstone cutlery two-sided whetstone is specially designed to restore shape and sharpness and a highly polished finish to dull kitchen knives, but it can also be used for hunting knives, pocket knives, scissors, razors, hatchets, axes, and gardening tools. The dual-sided whetstone is made from durable silicon carbide and has 400 grit on one side to sharpen the dullest blades and 1000 grit on the other side to create a nice smooth finish. Once the blade has been sharpened, the stone also forms a nice slurry that helps polish the blade for a superb shine. The stone is meant to be used with water, not oil, and for best results, simply soak stone for 5 to 10 minutes before use, and lubricate with additional water as needed when sharpening. Point 1 of the larger whetstones, and it is ideal for large knives and tools, but it can take up a lot of room on the kitchen countertop or workspace. The whetstone does not come with a base, so just use a towel underneath while you sharpen your knife. This stone needs to be soaked and cannot be used with oil. A long soak of 12 to 24 hours seems to work best. There isn't an anti-slip base included, but placing a dry towel or rubber mat under the stone works just as well to hold it securely in place. This is an excellent whetstone for restoring sharpness to battered cutlery, scissors, pocket knives, and even gardening tools. It's also large enough to handle axes and hatchets, and for the price, it's a bargain you shouldn't pass up. Number 3. Knife Sharpening Stone Kit, Fanu Professional. This kit is among the best sharpening stone packs to consider. It handles the entire sharpening process from the rough 400 grit to burr removal with the leather strop. Inside the kit, you find the 400 grit stone together with 1000, 3000, and 8000 grit stones. These are all used wet, from the roughest to the finest grit. It can take up to 30 minutes to finish up the sharpening process on each knife. My advice is to start with a knife you don't care too much about. This will teach you the proper form and the proper pressure which needs to be applied on the blade for the best results. I know I've used many types of such kits myself. The first 400 grit stone is where many things can go wrong with large shavings. However, you may apply a few strokes for up to 15 minutes with this stone. The 1000 grit stone may be used next to or even on its own. When the blade is not very dull, this stone proves useful. The 3000 grit stone is one of the most popular options for sharper tools. It can be used next to make knives even sharper. On the other hand, the 8000 grit stone is only suitable for polishing and making the edge smoother and brighter. Each stone comes with a rubber base that looks like a window frame and hugs the stone in place, whether you have them in use or not. These bases also prevent the stones from touching each other while they are left alone. While you are using whetstones to sharpen knives, the bamboo board holds them in place due to the rubber base at the bottom. The rubber at the base boasts a subtle pattern of little Hollywood squares that sort of act like suction cups. Number 4. Sharp Pebble Puck/Disc, Axe/Hatchet Large Sharpening Stone. If you need to take care of serious business, an axe does the job. From wood to help out with large chunks of meat in busy kitchens, an axe can go far, but even an axe can go dull. This is why the sharp pebble disc is one of the best sharpening stones. Reviews show that it may even work for hunting knives and pocket knives or any other blade which doesn't need to have the finest cut. The stone has two grit options which are used together during the sharpening process. 150 grit and 320 grit is all that's needed. During the sharpening process, none of these two grit options require any oil. This is why it can be one of the best solutions to those seeking improved results with as little maintenance as possible. That I don't use an axe, even when coming back from hunting, but I use the stone on large hunting knives. They do the trick for most of my cuts. I won't be making sushi cuts with the knife, but I know the stone is sufficient for my outdoor needs. The dual-sided stone also comes with a wooden base. It is suitable for all types of uses, specifically for those who want to save storage space. I only wished it came with a satchel for when I travel for long hunting trips. Number 5. King Whetstone Starter Set includes sharpening stone. This Japanese-style, dual-sided whetstone will transform your dull knives into razor-sharp works of art with its 1000/6000 grit combination. It is crafted from ceramic specifically designed for stainless steel and carbon knives by trusted sharpening stone manufacturer King. In addition to optimal grit levels, this model comes with an angle guide for precise sharpening and refining of your blades. And the sturdy base will keep it secure during processing. The wide range of grit offers the convenience of sharpening more than just kitchen knives. Use this model to put a good edge on pocket knives, axe blades, or even gardening tools. Be sure to soak the ceramic water stone for about 5 minutes before use. With no need for oil. Using water, the slurry that forms on top of the water stone is what does the work, so soak the stone in water before you start, and don't wipe it off while you are using it. With a black side that is a coarse 150 grit to sharpen dull edges quickly and a 320 grit green side to restore slightly dulled cutting edges and enhance the finish, whether you need to sharpen an axe, hatchet, machete, shovel, lawn mower blades or kitchen knives. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.